I got a package. House of Chop sent me a package. Hope it's not broke. I know what this is. I think a change in venue might be in order. All right. I love opening a scrap box. This almost looks like a seatbelt bracket. It's a soup spoon. Got it. Oh, yeah, I'm a big child. Soup spoon. Oh, what have we here? Some sort of cast, broken, maybe a sprocket. Oh, I know what this is. This is one of those handles off of a water spigot. Looks like the center's been knocked out though. It's really, really light. I think it's either magnesium or aluminum. That's gonna be tough to work with. Big lock washers. Another sprocket. And a random bolt. Oh, there's a piece of heavy wall tubing. Heavy wall tubing. Oh, this is the bottom end of some sort of connecting rod. I have no idea what I'm gonna do with that. And just your normal random copper cup. Is it for that? These look like punched pieces of steel. You can see where the center mark is. Now what? That was nice of him to send me these. I really feel like I should try to make something out of this and send it back to him. That would be cool. Let's make something, I have no idea what, out of these pieces and send them back to Mr. Chop. Looking at these pieces, this piece is the most provocative. I think I'm gonna use this as the limbs on a crossbow. And this will be my spine. You know the Romans, they used to make those, not a trebuchet, what do they call them? Those rapid fire crossbows, and they shot big nasty bolts. I gotta look that up, but we're gonna make something like a mounted crossbow, you know, like a heavy artillery type old school crossbow. That is the base, and the rest of this stuff, that's not bad. I kind of like that. That might. Oh, that's looking good. Okay. All right, I'm excited. We have a plan now. Let's make a crossbow, but I'm gonna have to clean some of these things up. And my favorite thing is my bench grinder with wire wheel and the fine Scotch-Brite deburring pad. I really, really had a good time in the shop today. I am pleased with the way this worked out. Chop, thank you so much for the box of scraps. I had a blast with it today. I'm going to send this sculpture back to you, Phil, so keep an eye out. Be careful, it is a little bit sharp, but I really had a good time today. It's so freeing to go in the shop and just to create with no limitations. The only limitations I had was what was in front of me, what was in the box. I did use almost everything in the box. I do have some pieces left. I was trying to shoehorn these last pieces onto the sculpture, and it was just too much. I liked the sculpture right where it sat at that moment. And I didn't want to clutter it up by trying to cram everything on it. And I think I used the vast majority of what was provided for me in the box. I think the sculpture captures the spirit of what's in the box. If you liked watching me make this sculpture as much as I enjoyed making it, I will make a deal with you. If you will take a box like this, a flat rate box, and throw some scrap in it, I believe these are good for upwards of 70 pounds flat rate, and mail that to the address I have in the description. I will take that box, I will make you something out of the contents of that box, I'll shoot a video, and I mail you back the sculpture. I like the excitement of opening the box, not knowing what's inside, and then having to make something out of it. I think this would be a really fun series to have on the channel. So if you've got some scrap laying around your house, I don't mind other materials, leather, glass, plastic. If you want to send me metal, that's awesome. I can really work with metal, but I am open to other materials. All right. I think that's it for today. I am Jason. This is Works by a Hearst. I will see you guys in the next video.